Hello, 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 everybody. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. It is 5 o'clock and it is cocktail time with Jamie. Hope everybody's having an awesome weekend. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Let's see, I'll give everybody a few minutes to join here. Today I'm gonna make a thin mint julep. Today is the last day of our $9.99 special of Cajun peel and eat shrimp for $9.99 to go. Snow looks like it's stopped. Aroma Time is open. I know it's Super Bowl Sunday. I know a lot of people are probably, getting ready to watch the game, having snacks and things at home. But we are open here at Aroma Time, so you can get takeout still, or you can come in and get dinner. And sit and enjoy and relax. So some people don't care about Super Bowl, some people do. So we've had that in the past. We're not busy, but we do get some tables that are just like, we don't care about Super Bowl, we don't want to watch it. So if you are home and you're in the mood for wings or mac and cheese, we have lobster mac and cheese back on the menu. If you're in the mood for just takeout, so you don't have to cook tonight, give us a call, 647-3000. And tomorrow will be our new $9.99 special. Marcus will do a Facebook Live in the morning. There will be an email that will go out with our special. Thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Chris, hello Susan, hello Sean, hello Ralph. Thank you everybody, I appreciate it. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. I appreciate everybody today and watching me. That is awesome. Let's see. Tomorrow we have a wine dinner. Every other Monday night we have a wine dinner. It's $25, 4 wines and a dish. I know tomorrow is going to be beef of some sort. I'm just not sure what Marcus is going to be making. Right, honey? Yep. So he's shaking his head. It's going to be beef teriyaki, actually, is going to be our meal tomorrow night with our wines. And is that going to be our $9.99 special, or you don't know? $9.99 special to go as well is going to be the beef teriyaki. So that is next week's special. That's a hint. Don't, if you would like it, 647-3000. You can call starting tomorrow. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but it's available Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I am going to make a thin mint julep. So I saw this recipe. I thought it was really cool. We are going to start with some mint. I think the only difference in this recipe from a mint julep is the cacao. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm going to add mint and some agave. I am going to muddle that all together. So it brings out the mint. So you can see I'm muddling that. So thanks everybody for watching. Hello Cheryl. I'm going to add 2 ounces of Mr. Peabody bourbon. This is available here for sale, $25 a bottle. It's an awesome, awesome bourbon. All right, and mix that up. That's the bourbon. I'm going to add some creme de cacao. Hello Cheryl. Creme de cacao is about 1 ounce. So I would normally use a white creme de cacao, but I don't have any, so I'm using dark creme de cacao. And I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to add some ice. Does mint julep have seltzer in it? Do you know, Marcus?
I don't know.
I thought it had like a lemon lime in it or something. But anyway, let's see. I'd add a little bit more bourbon. And let's taste it. Oh, it looks like a Coke. Ooh, kind of good. Awesome. I'm going to add a splash of soda. And there you have your thin mint julep. So it's supposed to taste like a thin mint. If you've ever had thin mint cookies from Girl Scouts, it's supposed to be like a thin mint. Oh, it's good. Thanks everybody for watching. Hello Jennifer, hello Susan, hello Michael. Thank you for watching me. If you're watching live, you can put hashtag live. It's a quick Facebook Live. Normally I'm not on Sundays. I just thought I'd do a quick one. $9.99 special tonight is Cajun peel and eat shrimp to go. Tomorrow starts our new $9.99 special, and it's beef teriyaki. and Marcus will come out with that tomorrow. Share video. I'm not sure what that means. Share video. Thumbs up, or you shared the video, not sure. Cheers. Hope everybody enjoys the Super Bowl. Tomorrow night we have a wine dinner, 4 wines and a dish. And hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Takeout is available. We are open for dinner as well. We have 6, 7 tables. Valentine's Day is next week. Look for our Valentine's Day box. We will be doing to-go Valentine's Day box. Marcus is going to be working on that tonight. That should come out tomorrow as well. And we do have reservations all weekend. Make sure you call and make reservations. We do have takeout, so you can get takeout for Valentine's Day as well. So that is it. Hope everybody has an awesome night. Enjoy the Super Bowl, and hopefully it's a good game. And we'll see everybody tomorrow for my happy hour at 4. Cheers, everybody.